And finally, a teacher from East London started his run on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire with one objective: to make sure he did well enough that his students wouldn't mock him. £125,000 later, and it's fair to say they're pretty impressed with Jerome Singh. Our reporter Amani Ibrahimi went to meet him and set him one last challenge. Can he answer the questions set by his pupils?
It scrapes the edge of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, final answer.
Absolutely right. That's £125,000.
That's the big moment that won history and politics teacher Jerome Singh £125,000.
It was quite incredible, especially the moment when I realised that I knew the answer to the question. And it also felt like quite a proud moment, because I always tell my students, be bold, be courageous, take a leap of faith. And it was nice to feel that payoff in real life and to take my own advice and to be a role model in that sense. And I did feel that, given the questions that came up, given my use of the lifelines, that was as far as I could have got, so I was very happy with that.
Oh, that's great, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Although Jerome was confident to take it to the next question, the outcome could have been very different. If it hadn't been for a book he'd read as a child, he might have just missed that winning answer.
This book, my parents got me about 20 years ago. I read it avidly, I memorised every detail, and it's really nice that it paid off in the end and it came in handy in the final question.
Jerome might have been able to answer Jeremy Clarkson's questions, but can he face his pupils in a trivia quiz?
In what year was the first ever Wimbledon championship held?
I'm not sure. I'm going to ballpark it around the 1890s.
No, that was incorrect. It was actually 1877.
It feels like a role reversal memory.
What colours are the Norwegian flag?
I believe it's blue with an off-centre red cross, and the red cross is surrounded by white.
Well done, sir. That's correct.
All right, finally got one.
I too decided to put him back in the hot seat with a question from a previous year of the show to see if his winning answer was just a one-off.
The Sahara Desert covers a large section of which of these countries? Is it A. Cameroon, B. Mali, C. Ghana, or D. Somalia?
The answer would be Mali, final answer.
Are you sure about that?
Very sure about that.
And it's actually correct. Oh my God, so you would have won again. Congratulations. I don't have the money though.
Well, it's safe to say it definitely wasn't a one-off. And as he gets ready to head back to the classroom tomorrow morning, he'll certainly be pretty popular amongst his students. Amani Ibrahimi, ITV News.
Mr. Singh's the man you want on your pub quiz team then.